Loam.
Yeah, loam or loamy soil.
Right.
Yeah, that describes a type of soil that we really want in our gardens. And
Right.
it can be, you know, you can tell people that you'll ask, what kind of soil I got? Oh, I got a loam, you know, and they're like, well, dang, I got
like clay
clay.
to me.
Yeah, I got clay. You know.
It's like gumbo to me.
Yeah, so loam is the type of good friable soil that farmers love. You know, it's usually found like in bottomland naturally, where
Memphis
stuff's
silt loam.
Yeah.
yeah,
One
yeah,
of the best
and it can
soils
be
around.
right, and it can be a combination of silt and humus and a little bit of sand, so it's a nice and a little bit of clay, little bit
Little
of clay,
bit, yeah.
little
Need
bit,
a
just the
little,
right little amount of clay to make it, have the right water retention plus good drainage, so it's the type of soil that we kind of want.
Yeah.
And it does occur naturally in some places,
It does.
and it's high in vegetable matter, decayed vegetable matter.
Right.
So it has a little more organic or humus content too. So
Okay. Yeah, that's what a lot of people want.
yeah,
Loam.
good garden soil. It's
garden
usually
soil.
called loam.
That's right.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.